decks for these rather warm conditions this afternoon. Would you please welcome the unique opportunity here on the aft decks, the voice and presence of Mr. Anthony Stuart Lloyd.
Ladies and gents, how are you doing? Well done you, you've all got your thermals on. Marvellous. Don't fall in. Is anyone trained as a lifesaver? You'll be alright, hold on tight. Maybe try that? No, we'll see how we go. Well, thanks for all tuning out this afternoon. Hope you've all had a wonderful day. And we're going to kick off with, including a couple of Welsh songs. Excuse me for being biased. I'm not going to do all the national anthems of any country, don't worry, otherwise we'll be here all evening. But let's kick off with a wonderful Welsh hymn. I'll do the first two verses in Welsh, and you can sing whichever language you like on the third one. It's called Cwm Rhondda is the tune, otherwise known as Bread of Heaven. Are you sure you're not all the ex-chorus members of Welsh National? Anyway. So we've got these clips in case the wind kicks up, but we haven't slipped the lines yet, have we?